So we're heading up Mills Canyon, which is a canyon off of the Entiat Valley, and we're heading up a different way, a way we haven't been before. So this will be a nice new trip for us. Got the wife with us and the kids in the back, and the yellow Jeep is up in front of us, but behind us we don't just have Devin this time. We've got another guest with us. We have Devin's mom with us, Mindy. So this will be a nice adventure for all of us. And the white Jeep is not with us. However, Michaela and the girls are in with Greg and Lori, mom and dad, and the yellow Jeep. All right, so more to come. We're in the fall colors, so there's a lot of good colors coming out right now. Looking forward to seeing more of this as it changes. You know, that gradual change to winter. So in a previous film, we were exactly on the other side of that when we didn't have any shades on our cameras, so everything was overexposed. But now we're on the other side looking back. So yeah, if you kind of look across right there, that is the canyon that goes up its way. We were on the ridge right about somewhere in there, and just on the left side of the road. Up on top of the hills. So yeah, we've kind of done a little bit of a full circle. So we're gonna try something. We're gonna go hike up to this little tower thing that's up here. We don't know what it's for, but we figured it's gonna be a good view because they chose this mountain to be the top for some kind of reason. And it looks like everybody's ahead of us, and we're gonna go check it out. So here we go. Well, I made it to the top. So did pretty much everybody else. And the first question I got asked when I got up here is by my children, did I bring water? The answer is no, I did not. I'm already carrying a child on my back, so water was not in my description. Anyways,
I feel like we conquered the whole world.
It's a pretty good look from up here. You're almost a 360-degree view. So, oh, look at that. There's Devin over there. So you got a massive, spectacular view from here. Obviously not the highest peak, But definitely a very high one for this area.
Let me show you. My phone's about to die.
So, yeah, and I think we're going to continue off out there on those roads, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. Wow.
Man, we're getting some really good views.
Wow.
I don't know, but I think your travel guide needs to have a pat on the back.
Why? Because that was the one time we go back to Hoodsport.
So we got up to another viewpoint. It's got a really good view this time of downriver of the Columbia. This right here is known as Turtle Rock Island, and there's the dam just after Turtle Rock, and then down further downriver is the North Bridge for Wenatchee and East Wenatchee. Yeah, this is a really spectacular view. It's got a nice, almost 360 view. You can actually see, if I move myself a little bit here, and let's see. Well, there's a great view down there. Right over there at the top of that peak right there. That was where we were earlier with that. We had to hike up to it. So yeah, we haven't really come distance-wise very far, but the roads between here and there were pretty exciting. So yeah, this is all new stuff, and it's been a spectacular trip so far. So we're here at a camp for dinner. We're not staying the night. This is a nice spot. We've stopped a couple times before. It's nice and protected from the trees, and we'll just have dinner here, and then we'll head back down to finish out our trip. All right, it smells good. What is it?
Hamburgers.
Ooh,
Yeah. Easy.
that's good.
We're just having hamburgers with some cheese on it. And the usual stuff, nothing fancy.
We'll try not to burn down the back of the Jeep.
Oh yeah, that might be an issue. We don't need to start a fire. You have to do that.
We might melt the tire.
I am not a god. I don't need burnt offerings.
Killed once is enough, right?
You have to flip it slow.
Oh, nice.
Way off over there by the flames.
All right, hon, what are we having for dinner? Hi, baby.
We are having cheddar hot dogs again.
Oh.
Just to make it simple and easy since it's starting to get cold, I didn't want to pull everything out. And next time we'll do something different.
Oh, cheddar hot dogs. They were good last time, so.
So we got hot dog relish, sauerkraut, ketchup to go with it.
That's right, all the good toppings. Oh, are you excited for the dog? We have the kids playing. What are you building there?
I'm making something for animals.
You're making it for animals?
Yeah. Bugs. Making a little home.
Oh, look at that. Like a squirrel adventure.
Yeah, we made. And this is a bed. Yeah, it's like a bed.
Oh, nice.
We make this as a shelter or something. We put it under here. Put it under here.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, good idea.
Great
But
job.
how will this stay?
So, Mindy, this is your first trip with us. How did you like it so far?
I've loved it so far.
Yeah. Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
What was your favorite part so far?
The views.
Yeah.
It's got to be the views over the Columbia River and seeing Waterville Plateau.
Yep, for sure. Those are always the best for all of us. Well, we hope that you come again.
I hope I get to come again.
Yeah. Well, now you know, Devin, take me out.
Yeah, come more prepared next time.
Yeah, well, we're glad you came. Thank you.
Thank you.